Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll see how we can generate a PDF and bitmap images for silk screen manufacturing process for the PCB design. So once you have your schematic and your PCB design ready, you need to select your board, and then basically you can define the area through which you want to design a focus. Let's mark the output area. Mark the output area. So this is the output area. We can set the origin and then go towards export graphics. If you want to generate a PDF or a bitmap, you can directly generate from here. So let's say I want to select the files that I want to clear. In this case I am interested in bottom resist file and with inverted configuration. This is important because when you are making the PCB through a silk process, screen printing process, it has to be a negative. So we can select the file name, test PDF. Let's have this folder, and test1 bottom silk, and I will just make this okay. So the file will be generated, and you can go to the location where the file is generated and see the file that is made. Thank you.